Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial of crocheting. In this tutorial we're going to see a cross stitch, the net cross stitch, the bias cross stitch. Is the effect of a net that is creating with this stitch. We're going to make work on multiples of 4. So for this tutorial I'm going to make 8 chains, a foundation chain of 8 chains, and I'm going to add 3 more chains because I'm going to make a row made by double crochets. So I'm going to make in each chain a double crochet throughout the row. Here it is. I would like to add just a thing. It is always, don't be afraid, don't be scared, it's a cable stitch. It is of the family of the cable stitches. So because today we're going to see a net cable stitch, and we are going to see it's the same. Now 4 chains, turn, work, and now skip 2 stitches and into the next 2 make 1 front post treble crochet stitch in each of the 2 next stitches. Front post treble crochet, and now go back into the 2 stitches skipped and crochet 1 front post treble crochet in each of them. Here it is. Now again, skip throughout the row. We're going to work in the same way. Skip 2 stitches and into the next 2 1 front post treble crochet in each of them. And then go back into the stitches we have skipped, and make 1 front post treble crochet in each one of them, in each one of the 2 stitches skipped. There it is. And we're going to finish the row by making a double crochet, and then 3 chains, turn the work, and in each stitch make a double crochet throughout the row. In each stitch crochet a double crochet. because if you want to complete, you have to make 2 rows, one made by the cable stitches, cross stitches, and one by double crochet. And again 4 chains, and we're going to return the work, and again skip the first 2 stitches into the next 2, make 1 front post treble crochet in each of the 2 stitches. Front post treble crochet, and then go back into the stitches you have skipped, and in each one of the 2 stitches make 1 front post treble crochet. And this is the way of working throughout the row, throughout this row. Again, skip 2 stitches into the next 2, make 1 front post treble crochet in each of 2 stitches. And again back to the stitches we have skipped, and make 1 front post treble crochet in each of them. And finish the row with a treble crochet here at the end, and then again to continue 3 chains and 1 double crochet in each stitch throughout the row, etc. It's so simple, as you can see. Thanks for being with me. You can see it here better. It's a beautiful stitch. Thank you for being with me. See you next time. Bye.